Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a road using the path brush in Affinity. And once you know how it works, you'll find it really easy to make. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to draw a small section of the road. I'll grab the rectangle tool and draw one on the canvas. About this size works well. I'll change the color to dark gray, remove the stroke color, and align it to the center. Now I'm going to make a copy of this rectangle. I'll select the Move tool, and with the rectangle still selected, I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate it. I'll drag this handle upward to make it shorter, like this, and change the color to yellow. Now I'll move it down slightly using the arrow key. I'll hold Shift to move it 10 pixels at a time, then press the down arrow key 3 times, so it moves 30 pixels downward. After that, I'll add another one at the bottom. I'll make sure snapping is enabled first, then I hold Alt and Shift to keep it straight and drag it to the bottom. Now it won't snap to the bottom edge of the gray rectangle straight away. To make it snap, just release the Alt key. And there you go. It snaps right into place. Then I'll move it slightly upward using the arrow key. I'll hold Shift and press the up arrow key 3 times to move it 30 pixels upward. Next, I'll add the broken lines or lane markings in the middle of the road. I'll hold Alt and Shift and drag this yellow line to duplicate it. I'll drag it to the center of the rectangle. I'll release the Alt key to let it snap to the center. Then I'll change the color to white. I'll hold Ctrl and drag it to reduce the width. Now I'll select everything and group them to keep the layers panel nice and tidy. After that, I'll export it as a PNG file. I'll go to the export button at the top right, click the small arrow, and select PNG. I'll make sure to choose selection only since we are only exporting this specific object. I'll uncheck Show in Explorer and click Export. I'll give it a name and click Save. Once it's exported, I'll hide it. Now let's create the path brush. I'll go to the Path Brushes panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, Vector, and select Path Brushes. In the panel, I'll click the small arrow icon and select Create New Category. I'll give it a name and click OK. Once the category is created, I'll click this icon again, and this time I'll select New Textured Image Brush. I'll select the PNG I just exported, click Open, and it's now a brush. Now to create the road, I need to draw a path. I'll grab the pen tool and draw a line. This will be the path for our path brush. Before applying the brush, I'm going to round the corners first. I'll switch the corner tool, select all the nodes, and drag one of the corners to round them off. I can also set the radius directly in the context toolbar. I'll go with 80 pixels. Now to apply the path brush, I'll switch to the Move tool and make sure the line is selected. Then I'll go to the Path Brushes panel and click the brush I just created. You can see the brush is applied, though it's not quite looking right yet. To fix that, I'll need to edit the brush. I'll double click on it, and from here I can make a few adjustments. I'll go to Body and change it from Stretch to Repeat. Here's how it looks now. I need to fix the gaps. In order to do that, I'll drag this red dotted line closer to the edge of the road. And do the same for this one over here. And there we go. The gaps are gone and the road is looking great. Now if you look at the road, the color seems to be missing. That's because the line itself has a color applied to it. I'll go to the color panel, click the stroke color icon, and remove it. And there's our road color back. We can also adjust the width setting here to make the road wider or narrower. Once I'm happy with how everything looks, I'll click Close. Now, other than using the pen tool to draw the path and applying the brush from there, I can also draw directly on the canvas using the Path Brush tool. You'll find it under the Pencil tool. Let me select it, hide the previous road, go to the Path Brushes panel, select the brush, and draw freely on the canvas. It's really fun to play around with the Path Brush tool. There's so much you can do with it. And that wraps up this tutorial on creating a road using the Path Brush in Affinity. I hope you found it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and bye.